To install QBASIC 1.1 on the Mac, we need to use DOSBox and also download olddos.exe. Here is the DMG, which contains the DOSBox application. I'll double click on the DMG. We will open up the DMG, and then on the desktop I'm going to make a new folder called DOSBox. And then inside of the DOSBox folder, I'm going to right mouse click and select New Folder. And this one will be Applications. We will mount this folder inside of DOSBox, and this will become our C drive. Then with inside of Applications, I'm going to right mouse click, make a new folder, and this will be QBASIC. I'll then put olddos.exe in QBASIC and go back to the DOSBox folder, select all of the files from the DOSBox DMG and dump them into the DOSBox folder. I'll then open up the Macintosh hard drive and drop the DOSBox folder into Applications. Now within Applications, I'll go to the DOSBox folder and double click on DOSBox. I'll then mount the Applications folder as the C drive. This is the command, mount C applications. Then I'll go to the C drive, C, colon. Then we'll go into the QBASIC folder. CD, which is change directory, QBASIC. Then I'll run olddos.exe. Yes, to extract the files. And now I'll go into the Applications folder, select QBASIC, and basically what I just need is QBASIC.exe and QBASIC.hlp, which is the help. So I'm just going to select all this other stuff that I don't need. And put it in the trash. Okay, now I'll go ahead and run QBASIC by typing in QBASIC and then enter. Okay, I'll close down QBASIC and I'll exit out of DOSBox. And the next time I want to use QBASIC within DOSBox, just double click on DOSBox, mount the Applications folder, mount C applications, go to the C drive, C colon, change the directory to QBASIC, CD QBASIC, and then QBASIC will run QBASIC 1.1. I'll go ahead and start. My program is working, and if I wish to save this, I can. I'll go to File, Save. Will be in the QBASIC folder here, and this will be test.bas. Okay, I'll close this down. If I wish to get the test.bas file, I can go to Applications, QBASIC, and there is the source code I just made.